In the tech industry, we're always talking about the next big upgrade. But as AI evolves, the most critical thing that needs upgrading isn't the machine, it's us. I've watched my daughter in her Waldorf education. Her pace is slow, unhurried. In a world obsessed with efficiency, this can feel like falling behind the digital curve. But I've come to realize that this isn't a delay. It's a respect for the natural rhythm of growth. In the future, the real scarcity won't be knowledge, it will be focus. Not speed, but stability. AI can indeed handle the bulk of our work, organizing data, generating content, even writing code. It magnifies efficiency, but it has a fundamental human limit. AI cannot build your inner order. It cannot wait through the period of confusion with a child, nor can it replace the struggle of thinking when there are no standard answers. If our children are used to instant responses, will they still be able to live with a problem? When answers are generated in a second, will they still ask why and how? I believe that critical thinking, emotional stability, empathy, and communication are the true bottom layer abilities that will sustain them for the long term. In the machine age, humans must be more like humans. Tech leaders like Anthropic's Daniela Amodei point out that technical expertise isn't the only priority for our children. The goal is clear thinking, good judgment, and the ability to collaborate. Technology will constantly update, but the way we think and the values we hold are what transcend time. We fear falling behind, missing out, and our children losing at the starting line. But when efficiency is infinite, what we truly need to protect is the capacity for quiet, deep thought. The real question isn't, should they learn AI? The question is, before they learn to govern the tools, have we taught them how to govern themselves? Traditional education builds knowledge, and tech education provides tools. But are we prioritizing the inner growth that allows a child to use those tools with wisdom? So, how do we make them more human? First, protect the blank space. Don't overschedule every second. Let them be bored. Silence is where original thought is born. When we hand them a screen to fix boredom, we steal their chance to listen to their own inner voice. We must protect that silence as if their creativity depends on it, because it does. Second, value the process over the result. In an age of instant answers, praise the long struggle, celebrate the messy draft, and the deep persistence that AI can never replicate. Persistence is a human code. It's the grit that comes from failing and trying again. If we only reward speed, we train them to think like machines, not masters. Third, teach them to question the answer. When AI gives them a result, ask them, do you agree? Why? What's missing? This builds the judgment no machine can copy. Discernment is a muscle. In a world of deep fakes and generated truths, the ability to find the human heart in the data is what will make them leaders. Fourth, prioritize human connection. Model empathy and moral judgment in your own life. AI has no ethics, it only has data. Our children need to see us making choices based on care. Your presence at home, without a phone in your hand, is the ultimate lesson. Show them that being present is a skill more valuable than any app they will ever download. The future belongs to those who can collaborate with AI, but even more so to those who can maintain their direction and depth amidst the noise of rapid change. What determines how far a child goes isn't how many tools they master, but whether they know why they are learning and for whom they are using those tools. This responsibility for inner growth cannot be outsourced to any school or tool. A parent's own awareness, values, and example are what determine the quality of a child's inner world. In this AI era, I hope our children aren't just more efficient, but more directed. I hope they don't just understand technology, but truly understand themselves. The future's human. Let's make it a future worth living in. Thank you for thinking deeply with me today. Stay directed.